Alright guys, installed my cruise control with the module located down here. I was a little bit concerned about airflow leaving the oil cooler, but thought about it. I think it'll be okay. You'll see I kind of ran some wires down through here. Currently I got the wires just temporarily ran, as you can see, but I just went on a test ride and everything works well. The cable runs from here around, comes around and back up through here and connects up here with a pull setup. You see the switch, set, resume. Got the light, which is up here. Moved the battery light down here, so you can see it looks pretty clean. Looks almost OEM. All I have left is to wrap up the wiring harness, and she's done.